Hi guys, Jen here with How Jen Does It. Today I'm doing a power hour. I'm doing this one a little bit differently. I have some things that I need to get to right now, and I have a few things that I've been putting off, but I know once I do them, I will feel so much more organized and so much better. So I hope this inspires you to knock out whatever it is that you need to get done, whether it be cleaning, organizing, or just things that you've been putting off. We'll all feel so much better if we just do those things. So I'm setting my timer for an hour. I'm going to show you my list and I'm going to knock out as much as I can. Here is my list. I recommend writing down things that you can reasonably get done within an hour, and then maybe if you think you might have extra time, write down a few extra things, and that's what I did. So I have put away Amazon stuff. It just came today, but I do need to put it away. I definitely need to menu plan and write out my grocery list. I usually do it on the weekend, usually Sunday, but I just didn't have time and I really need to do that. I need to reply to a couple of emails, and I really need to delete unnecessary footage and pictures on my computer. If you make YouTube videos, you know how quickly that can be overwhelming with extra footage, and just your computer can fill up pretty quickly. So I need to delete a lot of that stuff. And then if I have time, I have a couple of things here. So I'm going to jump right in, set my timer and get moving. I know you guys are wanting to know what I got from Amazon. I would want to know. So I got a new iron, some laundry bags that are awesome, sunless tanner, and some face mitts for applying sunless tanner. I'll link everything. You might not be interested, but it's there in case you're wondering what I got. I have videos on how I menu plan and write my grocery list. I have videos on how I organize my recipes, so I'll link those. And I did want to mention that on my right wrist, that is actually a burn. I didn't have a sunless tanning mishap, so just thought I'd mention that. I always get asked about my house shoes. So these I just wear in the house. I wouldn't wear them with this outfit, but they are super comfortable for wearing around the house. I have 3 pair of house shoes that don't go outside. If I can find them, I will link them because these are really comfortable. I write my grocery list in the order that I shop the store, so it just makes it easier because I can just follow my list around the store instead of going back and forth to find everything. Okay, I have my menu. I have my grocery list. We're actually going to Costco and Trader Joe's tomorrow because John has late appointments tonight and he likes to go with me. So I'm going to wait and add the things that my guys want on this grocery list. And then we always pick up extra stuff while we're there, whatever looks interesting. And then I have my Kroger list. I'm actually going to go to Kroger after I record this video. So I really needed that list. So I am at 26 minutes and 22 seconds. That took way less time than I thought. I thought it was going to take me almost a full hour to do that. Okay, now on to replying to emails. Okay, I am at 43:45. That took way longer than I thought because my computer was messing up. It was like not connecting to the server or something crazy. So I had to email myself from a different account and then use my phone to actually send the email. Annoying stuff, but that took a little longer than I thought. All right, so I have 16 minutes and 15 seconds left, and I'm going to use that time to delete the unnecessary footage and pictures, and that might take me the whole time. I don't know if I'll get to that. Okay, I went a little bit over an hour, but not much, and I got all of those things done that I really needed to do, and I'll just do that another day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this inspired you to make your own list, set a timer for an hour, and get moving on that list. If you'd like to write your list in the comments, I would love to hear what you plan to do. And there is a reason cleaning and organizing videos are popular. We all like to know what other people are up to, and we find it motivating. So leave a comment. below and let me know what you're going to be doing for an hour to make your life feel so much more organized and better. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe, and if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up.